So the very first thing that people don't tell you is that it hurts. So something not commonly known is that it does hurt. So a lot of people say, oh yeah, well, you know, it's gonna be painless, it's gonna be quick. But basically when they hold your eye open, like it really hurts. So like they go in and they actually put pressure on your eye, and yeah, it hurts. It's just, I mean, it's a quick pain, you know, 10 to 15 seconds of, I think they call it discomfort, which means pain. And so definitely was, you know, uncomfortable. Probably point number two. Point number two is that you can actually smell the burning when they go in there and the laser gets on your eye. You actually smell it. So if you're a little gory or a little bit scared of that gory feeling and smell, it definitely is a little creepy. For a few split seconds, I was thinking like, what in the world did I do to myself, and why did I allow them to hold my eye open and burn it while I'm still awake? So, you know, that's a thing. So definitely the smell. The third thing is that afterwards, it's a little scary because your vision is not 100%, and you kind of feel like your eyes, like you may have messed up something. So sometimes it could be a little worse. And you feel like you're a little bit low-key blind, so that's something to know. Another thing is the person that takes care of you or helps you afterwards. That's very important, so that's essential. Definitely don't skip past that. You will need a driver, and then even after a driver, you need a person to help you with your drops and making sure you do things properly so there's no infection. Definitely making sure that you schedule your follow-ups, because that was a big thing, you know, making sure that you're scheduling your follow-ups. Overall, yeah, it was a pretty positive experience. It was pretty pricey. They say they go on quote unquote sales, but it's pretty pricey. I would recommend to anyone that if you do it, definitely make sure that you get the best of the best. This is not a time to bargain, shop, or hunt. You know, I'll tell anybody that, not the time to be bargain shopping or hunting for deals. You definitely want to go to a place that is well known. We did Dr. Gene Bennett, shout out to him. You know, here in Texas, he did an excellent job. He's been in the practice for a very, very long time, and I know he's an older gentleman and has been practicing eye surgery for years and years and years and years, really decades. So I felt comfortable in that. He also was not wearing glasses himself. He had a procedure, so that was, you know, definitely something that made me feel a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, I mean, I think it's been 100% beneficial. I would absolutely do it again. But I guess the key points or takeaways of that is that it does hurt a little bit. And I'm not, you know, I don't have a low pain tolerance, but you feel some discomfort, and by discomfort, they mean pain. So just kind of know that. And the smell can be a little gory of, you know, the laser and the burning of skin. That can be a little bit creepy. And it's also a little creepy to have somebody over your eye and just kind of putting that pressure on there and looking down at you saying, it's okay, it's okay. So that part is a little creepy, but overall, you know, definitely an excellent experience. I would do it again because I could pretty much see nothing. You know, I had to wear pretty big glasses, and I think I still have some in here, so I'll show them to you so you can see. I actually thought my glasses were pretty cute, but you know, so these were my glasses like a long time ago. I can't really even look into the camera because, you know, but nevertheless, I thought it was cute, but not anymore. I kind of just hold on to them just because, but definitely a great experience. So check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. A+ words, wonderful video, my first time. It's okay if you want to leave me feedback. I appreciate it very much, and see you soon.